Shout out to all my small and medium-sized creators because it can feel daunting when you feel like you got to compete with the likes of Mr. Beast or whatever creators they are. They have like millions of views. But the truth is you actually don't. What you need to do is know what is working for creators your size inside of your niche that is helping them stand out, and what is working for other niches that you can use to incorporate in your own content. That is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ's Outliers tool so you can know what is working for channels inside of your niche. And then I'm going to show you how to use the Remix tool so you can take that content and remix it for your own content, making your content the ultimate. I wish there was a version of this for abs. So to get to the outliers, you're going to go over to the side menu here and select Discovery, and then the first option is actually going to be Outliers. When you first open the Outlier tool, you'll be greeted with several videos that are already outliers in your niche. And on each video, you're going to see a couple of key things. You're going to see the outlier score. You're going to see the views per hour. You're going to see how many subscribers that channel has, how many days this video has been out, and how many views it has. So let's take a look around the outlier page and look at the different things that we actually do here. At the very top, you have a couple of options. You can find videos that are outliers in your niche. You can find shorts that are outliers in your niche, or you can find thumbnails that are outliers in your niche. And you can use all of this when trying to make decisions about how to approach your next video. Next, let's look at the filter section. Here, you can make determinations about the type of videos that you want to see. Do you want videos with specific outlier scores or a specific view range? Should they have a certain amount of subscribers? How many views per hour do you want to have? And, or what are the outlier videos that are working with a certain video length? As well as being able to filter out when these videos were actually made. So for example, for my PlayStation channel, let's say I have less than 2,000 subscribers, right? So maybe I don't necessarily need to be looking for the outliers of channels that have 10 million or more. But what I will do is I will lower this. I have 2,000 subscribers. So maybe I will take this down to 4,000 or 5,000, okay? 5.2 thousand. This is a little more in my range, right? I'm trying to grow in increments. Next, I want to know what was published in the last 6 months that actually worked, because I want something that is fairly recent that is proven to be successful. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to hit the last 6 months. And the rest of these are fine with me. So then I'm just going to hit apply and let's see what I got. So I see that this channel has 3.2 thousand subscribers and was able to get 40,000 views on his video about the evolution of the PlayStation price, which, you know what I'm saying, has been evoluting. So I actually like this video and it's killing it, but I don't want to take his thumbnail. He did this thumbnail. It's great, but I would like some ideas that could work. So when I hover over here, I see similar thumbnails. So I click on similar thumbnails. So when I click on thumbnails, I actually begin to see something interesting. He's done this video before and it actually did great for him then, 2 months ago. And then some others have done some similar and it's done great for them as well. So I think that I am on my way to a great idea. And this thumbnail seems to be working well for him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this here. So here I have a couple of options. I could watch the video on YouTube, see how they approach the video. I could remix the title. I could remix the thumbnail, which we'll get to in a second. I could find similar titles and I could find similar thumbnails, as well as I can add this channel as a competitor. All right, so a couple of things start to emerge even on this screen. This outlier video, it's getting great views, but it has bad engagement. So I want to know why this video might have bad engagement. So let me open up in YouTube and let me take a look at it. This video isn't really a conversation. It's more of just a slide showing the different prices of PlayStation videos. So now I see an opportunity where I can take this idea, make it my own, and approach it in more of a conversational way, because we have got to talk about the price of PlayStation. All right, so back on my vidIQ tool. So now what I'm going to do is I want to copy this text, and then I'm going to go to our daily ideas. And I'm going to paste this video and I'll start from my ideas section so I can get a fresh take on how I can approach this video. All right, so from here, our daily ideas section, which we've covered in another video. If you haven't saw that video, make sure you watch that one as well. But I do want us to see this. I know that this is an outlier video that has performed well for channels my size. I know that there's opportunity to make it more engaging. I just got to package it in the right way. So now what I'm looking for here is an engaging title that I can use. And I think I found one. From $199 to $179, how PlayStation prices escalated. So now using the Outlier tool, I have a proven idea that I know works for people in my channel. I have an idea of how I can add to the channel without just copying what somebody else did. And I have my own unique, engaging packaging. All right, so now let's talk the Remix tool, because I have an idea, I have packaging, but I need a thumbnail that will be effective. Now, when I go back to the Outlier tool and I hit similar thumbnails, I know that this format that he's already used is effective. And so here, I want to add my own twist. I don't want to just take what he did. I mean, he already did this. So I'm going to look for other thumbnails that can be engaging that maybe I can remix for this particular topic. So let's keep looking. I really actually like this thumbnail here, just before and after the evolution of PlayStation startups. And I think that this could actually work well with my idea. So I want to use a version of this thumbnail, but I want to use it for my idea. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to hit these three dots here, and I'm going to say, remix this thumbnail. Now I'm going to ask it to create a thumbnail for my video with this title and using that thumbnail as a reference. And so let's hit create. All right, so now it's giving me three potential thumbnails. And the one that came out the best, and the one that I actually genuinely like, is this one right here. This is fantastic. From $199 to $179, PlayStation price jump. All right, and something that I personally really like about this is that you can tell that it is using this as a reference, definitely from these, but it's not necessarily giving me the identical thumbnail with just different text. So it gives me the opportunity to add something new to the conversation, even though it is inspired off of a previous idea. And also, if I wanted to make any changes or edits to this thumbnail, I can just click this pen icon here and then begin to make whatever changes I would like. For instance, I could say, turn the text yellow. So I actually like this a lot. I think what I'm going to do next is change the text a bit so it's not redundant with the title. And maybe I'll put the year instead of the price. And that way it helps tell a story that reinforces the title. So love it. So through using the Outlier tool, you can see that I was able to not just guess and hope to find a video idea that works. That video idea is based off of ideas that are already currently working in my niche. And through using the Remix tool, I'm able to do it in a way that feels genuine to me and my channel and add to the conversation. So enough looking at me, now it's your turn. So if you're with me and you are ready to use the Outlier tool to find the videos that are killing it in your niche, I want you to do two things. I want you to type accept in the comment section below, and then I want you to head over to the vidIQ dashboard and get to work. Until next time, peace.